So it sounds like what was happening was some old code was remaining, and I just want to make sure if that is the problem. Number one, you want to make sure if you're copy and pasting that you're going into plugins, macros, startup macros. I stopped doing it this way, but there's another place because everyone modifies ImageJ. New releases are built on user modifications. There's a few seemingly redundant, but they actually aren't redundant options. So under edit options, there's another thing called startup. If you go ahead and open that and just delete whatever you have in there, I have it set so it opens the test file, but it's okay if this is blank, and probably a good idea to make that blank. And hopefully you aren't copying and pasting any code in there. Alternately, what I started doing instead of going into the plugins, macros, startup macros, I just saved the text file or modified the text file in the folder. So to do that, you would download what I sent you, just the basic text, and then copy and paste it into, that's my file path, so I kept it as the IJ152 when Java 8, blah blah, ImageJ macros, copy and paste it into that folder, and don't change the name. And when it asks you, do you want to replace this file, click yes. You have to make sure that the name and the path stay the same. Or you can open what's already there and copy and paste. To do that, don't scroll with the mouse. You can either Control A, or you can hit Control Home, and then while holding down Control and Shift, press End, and that does the same thing effectively as Control A. I use it for, like in Excel, you have to do different things. So in Notepad and text files, it's redundant. Those two are redundant operations.